If you have an international TikTok account and you've not started making money with your international TikTok account, and you've not gotten to the numbers of followers you will get to before you can be monetized, which is 10K and 100K video views, there is another way you can actually start making money with your international TikTok account, even if you have 1 follower, 2 followers, 200 followers, or even 0 followers. This other way is called referral. If you just create an international TikTok account, let's say UK to be precisely, you will see at the top left of your account, you are going to see a gift box. Now on that gift box, if you click on it, it's going to display some information. You don't want to miss out from content like this. I will beg you to please click on this plus button, subscribe. Trust me, I make valuable videos that will help you grow your account. I also teach people some tech skills, free: content creation, web designing, digital marketing, YouTube engineering, video editing. I go live 9 p.m. every day. Come and learn. Back to our video. If you click on this box, it's going to display a referral details for you. So meaning you can actually refer people and make money. Now the money that is allocated there is £6. So meaning for each person you invite, TikTok is going to give you £6 worth of coin. And you can actually withdraw those £6. But there are conditions, and this is what some persons, some creators are not telling you. Yes, you can actually make money with this option, but there are conditions. One of the conditions is this: those people that are creating account using your referral code must be from eligible countries. If you are from Africa and you are distributing your code, sharing it for people that are in Africa using VPN to create account, or creating it in Africa, it may not work for you. Now, who should use this your referral code so that you can earn this money? People that are outside the country. If you give it to them and they use it, you are going to make your money. If you still don't understand, let me break it down. I am in Africa. I share my referral code to people in Africa who have international TikTok also. You won't make this money. But if I share my referral link to people that are in outside country and they use it, I will make the money. Second condition is this: it is not when they just create the account you will start making the money. When they create the account, they must be active on TikTok for the next 7 days. So meaning they should be creating content, creating valuable content for the next 7 days. They should be going on and off TikTok for the next 7 days, meaning they will be active for the next 7 days before you can make this $6. TikTok is going to give you the $6, and they also will receive this $6. This is the condition. So those content creators that are just telling you you can make money with your referral, there are conditions. There are conditions. There are people who are marketers. They can refer people. But in the situation where you've referred thousands of people, you are not making any money. You should know where the issue is coming from. Your referrals must be from eligible countries. So can you still make money with referrals? Yes, you can make money referring people. The people should be from eligible countries. If you found value in this video, click on this plus button, follow this account, like this video, go to the comment section and type if you've participated in this referral program, and have you earned. If you have earned, please tell us. If you have not earned, still tell us, because we want to help people to make money online and we don't want to deceive people. Is that okay? Share this video to as many you can, and you might want to save this video for a later use. Come and learn with Almatech.